Welcome to Furniture Industry News for December 6th, 2024. Today, we'll be covering key updates from retail performance over the Thanksgiving weekend, shipping rates, TikTok's legal challenges, and important company updates from Wayfair, Hooker Furnishings, and Kirkland's. The retail sector saw impressive numbers during the Thanksgiving shopping weekend, with 207 million Americans opening their wallets for holiday purchases. This represents 79% of all U.S. adults, showing a notable increase from last year's 75%. Despite the growing popularity of online shopping, physical stores continue to play a vital role in the shopping experience. Brick-and-mortar locations proved particularly valuable, with 78% of consumers either making in-store purchases or using pickup services. When shoppers came to collect their online orders at stores, 70% made additional purchases during their visit. The data shows that while price sensitivity remains a concern, fewer consumers reported feeling constrained by higher prices compared to last year. Notably, Black Friday maintained its position as the biggest shopping day of the weekend, accounting for 39% of all purchases, followed by Cyber Monday at 19%. Looking ahead, retailers can expect continued strong sales, as 60% of shoppers indicated they still have significant holiday shopping to complete. In shipping news, container rates have seen a significant drop, particularly on routes to the West Coast. The latest data shows rates from Shanghai to Los Angeles have fallen 12%, now sitting at $3,719 per 40-foot container. This decrease comes as part of broader shipping rate fluctuations across global routes. However, industry experts are cautioning about potential rate increases on the horizon. A major factor driving these predictions is the looming International Longshoremen's Association port strike, scheduled for January 2025. Companies are expected to accelerate their shipping schedules to move goods before any potential disruptions. Adding to these concerns are discussions about possible new tariffs. Many businesses are considering front-loading their shipments to avoid potential tariff impacts, which could create additional pressure on shipping rates. While rates are currently favorable for importers, this combination of factors suggests the current low rates may be temporary, with increases expected in the coming months. Furniture retailers who rely on TikTok for their marketing strategies are facing new uncertainty following a significant legal development. A federal appeals court has just upheld legislation that could potentially ban the social media platform in the United States unless its Chinese parent company, ByteDance, sells its ownership stake. The ruling sets a critical deadline of January 19, 2025, for ByteDance to divest from TikTok. If this doesn't happen, the platform could lose access to U.S. app stores and web hosting services, though there is a possibility of a 90-day extension if a sale is actively in progress. This development is particularly significant for furniture businesses that have built their marketing strategies around TikTok's massive user base of 170 million Americans. These companies may need to start considering alternative platforms for their social media marketing efforts. While TikTok could potentially appeal to the Supreme Court, the uncertainty surrounding the platform's future means businesses should begin preparing backup marketing strategies well ahead of the 2025 deadline. In company performance news, major industry players Wayfair and Hooker Furnishings are showing contrasting results in the current market environment. Wayfair's CEO Niraj Shah reports the company continues to gain market share, despite what he describes as ongoing malaise in the home furnishings category. The company is focusing on several strategic initiatives, including their new rewards program, enhanced delivery options, and expansion of their B2B program, Wayfair Professional. Meanwhile, Hooker Furnishings is navigating through some significant challenges, reporting a $7.3 million operating loss in their third quarter. This marks their third consecutive quarterly loss, largely attributed to $7.5 million in various charges, including severance payments from recent layoffs and impacts from a major customer's bankruptcy. Despite these setbacks, the company reports some positive developments, including progress on cost reduction efforts that are expected to save $10 million annually by 2026. Hooker Furnishings is focusing on inventory management and operational efficiency, with their Home Meridian division achieving its highest ever gross margin of 20.5%. The companies remain optimistic about future growth as macroeconomic conditions, including cooling inflation and interest rate trends, show signs of improvement. Thank you for tuning in to Furniture Industry News. To stay updated with the latest developments in the furniture industry, please subscribe to our podcast.